all of our teachers, especially Sandhya teacher, Swapna teacher, Manjula teacher, and all other teachers and the staff for the hard work and the care. I also want to thank my parents for cheering me on, giving me lots of love and helping me every day. I am so excited for what is next. First today, here we come. So let's clap for us. Thank you.